Hi guys, I'm Steve Edwards from Grow Profit First Accountants, formerly CTA, a bit of a long story why we've changed name, and I often give people tax tips and profit first advice on this channel. So I've got a really important message for you. If you are a business owner, probably a limited company, you've been growing, and things have run away from you. You know, maybe you've got behind on your tax, you've got behind on your VAT, your PAYE, your CIS, whatever it is. Because you have to pay your wages first and you need to pay yourself because you need to live. What I want to share with you, I think, is super important going into Christmas and going into the new year. If you are behind with your HMRC payments, whether it's for any of the things I just mentioned, I don't want you to bury your head in the sand. I don't want you to ignore it. I want you to recognise the problem as it is, no better, no worse, but see it as it is. And you really need to be up to date on your numbers to know what you owe. So if you owe VAT, if you owe PAYE, if you owe corporation tax, the worst thing you can do is ignore it. What I want you to do is figure out what you owe. You should have an accountant who can work that out for you. If you've not got an accountant who can work that out for you, you need one. You're more than welcome to reach out to me and my team. However, you need to get that number, and then you need to call HMRC on the payment helpline for whatever the tax is, whether it's VAT, PAYE, and come up with a payment plan. They are more often likely to let you spread it across 12 months with a direct debit, as long as you communicate with them. If you bury your head in the sand and you don't speak to them, you cannot spread the money and someone's more likely to show up your door. You don't want to go into Christmas with all this stuff on your mind and carrying all this weight on your shoulders, the sort of stuff that wakes us up as 3 a.m. in the morning as a business owner. You really need to deal with the situation, and that's the best way to deal with it. And you can have a plan to get things sorted in 2025.